Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the ultimate arrows indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the ultimate arrows indicator to the chart. Okay, so these are the input settings. We have the EXT depth, the EXT deviation, and the EXT backstep. Meanwhile, the indicator simply plots arrows on your chart, as you can see. Alright, so when you have a downward arrow, simply it's a sell signal. When you have an upward arrow, simply it's a buy signal. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so it plots reversal signals on the chart, trend reversal signals. Okay, helping the trader to identify price swings. All right, so as you can see, all the trader has to look out for is the appearance of the downward arrow in order to sell. But I recommend waiting for additional confirmation, maybe a break of structure, or something, right? Candlestick pattern, chart patterns, and all of that. Okay, it's recommended to always get confirmation signals before executing the trade. All right, so when the indicator plots a downward arrow, it's a sell signal, but it's better to also get sell confirmation before selling. All right, and when the indicator plots an upward arrow below the candlestick, it's a buy signal, but it's also recommended to get additional confirmation before executing the buy trade. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.